Welcome to our empowering space, where we continue to explore the depths of feminine grace and empowerment. Today, we uncover the art of radiating confidence and magnetism in every aspect of your life. Unlock the inner radiance that lies dormant within you. Embrace your unique gifts, talents, and quirks as the building blocks of your authentic charm. Remember, true beauty emanates from the depths of your soul and illuminates the world around you. Nurture the sacred bond between your mind, body, and spirit through acts of self-love and care. From morning affirmations to evening rituals, prioritize practices that replenish your inner wellspring of joy and vitality. As you fill your cup, you overflow with love and grace. Forge empowering connections with like-minded souls who uplift and inspire you on your journey. Surround yourself with individuals who celebrate your successes, champion your dreams, and remind you of your inherent worth. Together, we rise higher and shine brighter. Embrace the power of authentic expression in every facet of your life. From the way you dress to the words you speak, let your unique essence shine through unapologetically. Remember, there is beauty in vulnerability and strength in authenticity. Harness the limitless potential of your thoughts and intentions to manifest abundance in all its forms. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and possibility, and watch as the universe conspires to fulfill your deepest desires. You are the architect of your own destiny. Always remember that you possess within you the power to radiate confidence, grace, and charm in every moment. Embrace your divine feminine essence and watch as your presence transforms the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration. Until next time, may you walk in beauty, speak with purpose, and embody the radiant essence of who you are.